Over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzodu TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana 0, Nikawa 0. I'm joined by T55 and Zwali Brian Dlamini.
All in, all of us,
Steve, they practice it how long?
No. We don't practice, my brother. We don't practice.
It's okay.
No, it's in our blood.
Yeah.
It's in our blood. First things first, my brother. Congratulations to South Africa.
Yes.
Bafana.
Yes.
Congratulations to the players. Everybody that was selected, they deserve to be there.
Yes.
My message is loud and clear, simple.
Yeah.
The boys, go there and make us proud.
Yeah. That's
Bona, you must play your beautiful football.
Yeah.
Hugo Broos is one of the best coaches. Take nothing away from the coaches that we had.
Yeah.
But Hugo Broos has brought the respect of South Africa back.
Yeah. No, VAT 55.
Yeah, size la eSkotini sizobona iSouth Africa izorepresenta izosikhombisa ukuthi izoyenzani le emazweni.
Yes.
And we are very proud.
Yeah.
I mean lana azelanga iwin. Mesingazelanga iwin. Ifriendly of which sizobona ama player wethu ukuthi are right for World Cup.
Yes.
They are fit enough. Lena amagoli lawo azosebenza le.
Yes.
iMexico iyaskolota.
Iyaskolota.
They came here basidelela manje siyakubo sizobabonisa ukuthi sengabobani. Siyale kubo.
Bona so.
Bashapa ko Mexico City.
It's very clear. I feel sorry for Mexico, Czech, and Korea.
Yes.
They won't know what hit them. They won't know what hit them. What I like about this Bafana. Quality mfowethu.
Fair.
Quality all round. Ngenza abantu bayakhala bathi Hugo Broos what. No guys, bebalukisale bani.
Batu change.
Money kanjani.
21 Jump Street.
Kanjani.
21 clean sheet.
A person who took a treble. Bona. The nicest thing about this squad, we have players that have won the Champions League.
Yes.
We have players that have won all the domestic leagues, cups in South Africa. Young John. Treble. Young John. Siyekela Nedbank, siyekela
Legends Cup. Plus nomunye ke ongathathanga lutho okhona ke nayo khona kodwa at least
cross
ucoach wethu sambonga ukuthi azama ukubalansisa isilungu masifika lemazweni bangasibheki kabe ngathi si racist kube nomlungu njengoba mewasho ukuthi hayi mebangambuki mekuthiwa mlungu.
So as I was saying, ukuthi this World Cup, abantu abaningi they are taking us for granted.
Yeah.
A lot of people are taking us for granted.
Yeah.
And then I don't understand ukuthi abantu why babalabala ngale ndaba ukuthi Mr. Hugo Broos ama player abayise hoteleni njani. It happens, Bram. It's part of football. If we alazi ibhola, udlale ibhola. Thina bese ematrailini. Uthola sidlala ematrailini. Yazi bayenzeni? Basithatha si50. Basitshela ukuthi size bazochusa ama player. And then lapho uthola ukuthi bathatha 15. The whole 35 year ekhaya. So it happens in it happens. It's not like it's not like ukuthi labantu labana let's choose. Sibabone TV abakhipha choose a TV straight so. If umuntu unenkinga i-preliminary list le abangasayikhiphi once because of kuyafana noma bangezi bahlala emakhaya if bakapile sokuhleka siloko sikubone listini it doesn't make kuyafana mfowethu uyangithola so ukuthi ubani bona South Africa is big brand with or without them we are going to support Bafana
Yes.
We are in the club.
Yes. No, no, VAR.
with or without them we are going to support Bafana
Yeah, VAR.
uyangithola
VAR, yeah, VAR.
all
no,
bona we are going to rally behind our boys uyangithola sibelebele
Yeah.
Mufukeng,
Yeah.
a police,
Yeah.
Muremi,
Yeah.
Nganases,
Yeah.
Zwani,
Yeah.
you can name them.
All of them. Yeah.
Bona, we are going to rally behind them.
Yeah.
I'm told. We are going to support them with all our hearts, with everything that we have.
Yeah.
The message is loud and clear.
Yeah.
Even though we are not there physically in America,
Sure.
but emotionally and spiritually,
Yeah.
we were with you.
Yeah.
And remember, it's not about the clubs.
Yeah.
Right now, Siteni, all of us, all in, Rikafela. All of us, all in, Rikafela. All in, Rikafela.
Yeah.